What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a folder I believe every single working DJ, every single private event DJ, every single mobile event DJ needs to have in their software of choice and ready to go at all times. Before I get into it, I just want to reintroduce myself, especially if you're new here. My name is Jason Jani. I'm a DJ. I'm a business owner. I started a company called the SC Event Group, and I started this channel a little while ago to help share information based on real deal experiences, real deal topics, and things that I've gone through, not only as a DJ, but as a business owner and someone that has been in the event industry for a long time, doing really cool events and in really amazing places for amazing people all over this planet. I'm sharing content here to hopefully help push our industry forward, do my part to influence and help people that are on the come up, people that are looking to take their businesses to the next level, or just looking to have better events in general. That's what all the content is. And if you're new here and not yet supporting me in this channel, I would be grateful if you jumped on board and supported me and this channel with some sub love. If you're a returning supporter, subscriber, viewer, observer, all the things, just want to say thank you for returning and joining me here once again. Make sure you add a thumbs up and make sure you throw a comment into this video or any other video you see in the future. It would be so appreciated by me, and it also helps get this video in the algorithm track with YouTube and get it in front of more people that could benefit from the content. Now, I want to share with you a folder that I think every DJ needs, and this is based on my own experiences. The folder is called the burner folder, and I'm not talking about tracks that are on fire. I'm talking about tracks that can be used almost as throwaway tracks. They're tracks that are not going to stuff your dance floor or pack your dance floor, but they're tracks that you can lean on or go to in the event that you need to fill dead air. An example, you're about to start toasts, you hand the microphone over to whoever is ready to speak, the music starts to fade down, and they're not ready to go. Or maybe they need a minute to collect themselves. You can go into the song you were just playing, or maybe dip into this folder and play something else. If there's a handoff between two people during a toast segment, whether it be at a corporate event, a wedding event, or whatever, and there's almost like that 30-second dead air from one person handing the microphone to the other, if that ever happened to you, you know what I'm talking about. This folder would be my go-to to fill the air. Same thing as you conclude your toast, as you conclude your speaking, as you conclude your moment, your milestone, whatever it may be. This could be a great song as a buffer till you get to the next thing that you have in your timeline or agenda or on deck for that event. Now, music in these folders are super important and super diverse because they need to almost apply to a lot of different types of people because you never know who you're going to be working with. I like to have a handful of tracks in a lot of different areas available, ready to go on deck in this folder. In totality, I have 2 burner folders that I use, each of which only has 20 songs in them. So they're not stuffed with 100 or 200 songs. We don't want to make it confusing, but we want to have variation so that we can appeal to different universes of people, different age ranges, and things that could connect potentially to the people that you're working in front of. So think about the people and the type of events that you do. Think about the things that are hot or maybe were hot even years ago for those events, and look for instrumental versions of those songs. Look for songs that are not going to stuff your dance floor. If you're looking for an artist for inspiration, I love music by Gramatik, 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 and that artist has a song called Just Jammin', another song called Muy Tranquilo. Those are 2 examples of great songs. They're kind of like hip-hop jazz tracks with no vocal. I don't like to always use vocals for my burner tracks because sometimes you have to cut them off in the middle of maybe a chorus or a verse, and it might not hit the same way as an instrumental where you could just pull out of it really quick. I also like to keep my music very fresh and diverse, and I'm always looking for new tracks that I just kind of feel. I like the groove, I like the beat, I like the tone, I like the message of the song, and I try to not only find a version of the song that would be appropriate, but I also look for like that instrumental version of the song. Songs like Michael Jackson and Justin Timberlake, Love Never Hurt So Good. That's a great kind of groovy song. It's upbeat and it sounds pretty cool with or without the vocal. Now, there's times where the vocal might work. There's times where it won't work. But I like to have diversity. I also listen and look for artists like Earth, Wind, and Fire for maybe older guests. I try to find throwback hip hop, throwback R&B, throwback pop tracks that could connect, that are not too busy, not too crazy in BPM range, anything under 120, usually with that middle ground being maybe somewhere around 95 to 105 is really the sweet spot. But there's a lot of different music that you can choose that could connect. Even if you pull songs like Al Green's Let's Stay Together, but you have an instrumental version, it could be pretty cool if you play that at a wedding in between toasts or in between milestone moments where it's an appropriate song that could fit in line with maybe the music that's programmed for that night, and it could just set you up. The burner folder is an overlooked folder by so many different people, and I think it's a valuable folder that every DJ should have on deck in their software, whatever it may be. Have it ready to go. Stuff it with 20, 25 tracks that you can go to in a pinch. Another great song that I like to use as a burner song, XO by Beyonce. I think it has a really pretty build up in the beginning, and it kind of never gets to like this crazy level. It's kind of cool and moody, and I like to use that sometimes when I sit people down after a first dance or a parent dance or in between something where I need more than just a 30-second or 1 minute buffer. There's a vocal, it's not over the top, it kind of fits. Another song by Beyonce would be Love on Top. It fits the vibe, it's not too crazy, and it can connect with some of the younger guests, and it's not overwhelming for older guests. I hope you get what I'm saying here. The burner folder for the win. If you want to spice up your events, spice up your crates, and of course your software, make sure you put one in and have it ready to go for your upcoming events. I promise it'll be something that is so valuable to you, and you will find it valuable if you set it up. My name is Jason Jani, and I want to hear from you. If you have a track that you use as a go-to in the event that you need to buffer or just kind of fill dead air, let me hear from you in the comments down below. Throw your favorite 2 or 3 songs that you go to and use all the time in the comment field down below. I'd love to hear from you, and let's make this video a valuable video for our industry and for people that are looking to do great things, for people that are trusting them with incredible events. I appreciate you checking this video out, and I have another video that I want to share with you about wedding music and entertainment and some really, really cool things that you could be considering to up and elevate your shows in the future. Check out this video right here. Thanks for watching.